Hi guys, welcome back to Embracing My Curls. This is just going to be a really quick video. It's yet another style product review. I finished it up. No more will come out. There's a tiny bit, as you can see, there's a tiny bit here. It won't come out like I've tried to get it out. It's got one of those airless pumps. If any comes out, we'll just put it on the hair. See, literally it just starts coming out. Anyway, let's talk about it. So it says new look Cantu Shea butter wave whipped curling mousse for natural curls, coils and waves. It defines waves and curls without the crunch. I can attest to that. Whenever I use this, there is no crunch there at all. Now, the curly girl method does say that you're supposed to have a cast, like when you're using these products, when you're using gels, creams and mousses, you're supposed to apply it to wet hair. I was applying it to damp hair for such a long time, but like I've recently, the last few times I've used this, I've applied it to wet hair and there isn't that cast, so it's really good for that. So what else does it say? Weightless moisture and conditioning. Yeah, I do think that about it as well. Would I repurchase it? I've repurchased it twice so far. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it a third time though, because I really do want to try. There's an Umberto Giannini one and that looks good. I'll try and find it and put it around here somewhere so you can see what I'm actually talking about. If I can't get that though, then yeah, I'll definitely go back for this one. I'm trying one at the moment now. I think I've got two mousses in the drawer and one's a very inexpensive one from Boots. I think I only paid about £2 for it. And then the other one, I think it's by Weller or Shockwaves or something like that. So I've got those two, so I want to use them too before I even go out and buy a new one. I feel like this one costs about £8, so it's not the cheapest mousse that you can get on the market, but it is probably the best for your hair. The only thing that puts me off is there's quite a bit of product left in it there. And it's just not coming out. Oh, wait. Didn't know you could undo this. Hang on. It's just water though, isn't it? It would just be like putting water on my hair. If this comes out. Yep, I am not putting that on my hair. Because the pump is what makes it into a foam. And I just tried it and you can see there how foamy it is. But like when I put it onto my hand, it's literally spilled all over the floor and on my foot because I don't have any shoes on. And yeah, it's just a water, so I'm not putting that onto my hair. Would I recommend this to you curly girls out there? Yes, I would. I mean, it does say you don't necessarily have to have natural curls. You can have coils, and also it's good for wavy hair, which I think is really good. That companies these days are bringing out products for certain types of curls. Like my curl type is 2C 3A, I believe. I've done a bit of research on it. So I think it's more like the waves in it, like these curls down here are definitely more like 3A, I think, or possibly 3. And then the wavy parts of it is more 2C. So I am the type of person that has got different types of curls running through my hair. But I do genuinely feel like when I get it cut, it's going to look so much different and it's going to be in better, healthier condition. I have got a video that I want to bring to you. I'm going to be steaming my hair as well with that new portable hair steamer I bought. So yeah, I just wanted to come on quickly and talk about this and basically say I do recommend it. It's one of their styling products. As you know, mousses are a styling product. I have got other products by the Cantu range that I'm working my way through. I think the next review I bring to you will be on an Umberto Giannini product. It's one of their refreshing like sprays that they brought out. Can't remember the exact name of it, but again I'll find it and I'll leave it here, or I'll just take a picture of the one I've got because there's not much left in it now. So once I've used that up, I will bring you the review. So videos for this channel at the moment, what I'm thinking is once every week, and I'm going to be like doing shorts as well, because the last short I put up did quite well. It did better than the actual longer form content. So I think it got nearly 300 views, and for someone with a small channel, that did quite well. because I've only got 27 subscribers, and I don't want to say it like that. I've only got 27 subscribers. I appreciate you all so much, but I have just started this channel, and this is just the start of my curly girl journey and doing the curly girl method. So as I'm going through the curly girl journey, there's obviously going to be a lot of product reviews, things I like, things I don't like so much, and I want to share that with you, especially if you've got similar type of hair to me. I appreciate you all watching. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And again, that's the product if you want to take a screenshot. But yeah, I think it's really, really good. Apart from that last little bit that won't come out of it. But I'm sure even in aerosols, there's always a little bit that won't come out, you know, so it's not the be all and end all, is it not? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please like, it really does help get my small channel out there. Share and comment, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we can go through the curly girl journey together. Bye, guys.